Hey. That looks fire. Let me get a little, yeah, I mean.
What's the verdict? What's the verdict?
You about to see what it's hitting for right now. Let me get a little, yeah, I mean. Oh, yeah, I mean. Ah.
Excuse me.
Well, let me try the oxtail.
I didn't even try the oxtail yet. What is you doing? It's my food.
Oh my God. Why are you doing karate chops over here? See that fly?
Get the hell out of here.
Flies to try and get to your food, doc. Yeah, the oxtails. Oh my God, that was good.
All right, my turn.
All right. That's good.
That's good.
Let me, yeah, I mean. Give me a little piece of my chicken right there. Oh yeah, I tasted yours first. You go. You go ahead. That's good. Get some of that, yeah, I mean.
Just sniffing.
Here, let me get some of that, yeah, I mean. Pulled chicken. That's good. Whoa. Oxtails is fire.
That's it. You gotta come on down to Kulcher Kitchen, Chef David. I got loaded mac and cheese with oxtail. I got ribs. I got jalapeno cornbread. I got macaroni tuna salad. I got the green beans with the smoked turkey. I got a bunch of stuff. Pulled pork, smoked pork fresh. So come on down, plus our regular menus, my trumi bowls, my shrimp and grits, my gumbo. You gotta come on down. Let me please your soul with food. Alright?
My man.
Canyon, we
All
want
right.
a canyon.
Bring that food back.
Yes. It was that we were asking for like a moment to go.
See you later.